100%. Maybe Gambit will be picking up a win. Feather Hooney are on to Gosu as well as Forgiven. He's been dropped as CamoShot is trying to rampage across the fight.
What's Sivir?
Look at here. I got it. Azir no, help this guy. Azir, listen to flash.
Group up, go Hooney, go Hooney.
I'm moving,
Hooney,
Azir.
come.
10-0 in summer. The first team ever to do it.
Oh, Varus. I help. Is that?
Okay, go. Nice.
I'm stunned for now.
5 combo.
Okay, coming for IQ. Accept.
Steve dives onto Power of Evil. Power of Evil had his flash but needed to run away. That petrifying gaze still not used. Roccat will pick up their first undefeated week in summer.
Let's go party.
Let's go.
You don't know other songs.
Come on,
not
Barbie.
Eye of the Tiger, not Barbie. Let's go party.
Oh yeah.
And then you are in
At some point in my life, I knew this song. Most of it.
Don't be mad because I'm doing me better than you be doing you.
Oh, no. Ringer.
I'm gonna zop. Freeze!
Yeah.
Actually,
Oriana. No
I will sniper.
No scope.
Put some pressure on HCK. Absolutely. You're not safe in second place. They turn their attention to him. Nif's going to get the knock-up. JWoww goes Meganar.
Oh! Good job. Nice! Keep going. I can
Oriana.
Nice! A 2-0 week for Elements.
Nice! Keep going. Good job. Give me a shield. 2 seconds. 1 second. Nice!
They're gonna look for 2. Lulix is down. Ryu's fired. It's Candy Panda running wild. And SK Gaming take down H2K.